Welcome to our channel. In this informative video, we will show you how to repost a photo on Instagram. We will show you a trick without using a third-party app. Let's start the video. To repost a photo, click on the share option and then click on the add post as your story. Now click on the share option and then click on the done. This post will be first shared to your story. To repost it, go to your profile and show it in your story. So then click on the three dot to repost it. So you see an option, the share is a post. So once you click it, you will be able to share it as a post. So click on the next option at the top right. In this tab you see that you easily change any filters to this post. Now click on the share option. You easily add any caption to this or tag, add reminder location. Let me add some caption that is like like my video. Then click on the tick mark to share it. You are seeing that your video is finishing up. To check it, go to your profile and you will be able to see that your photo is reposted. Thanks for watching.